So this property is located in a community called Crystal Woods. All right, it is a retirement sort of community, snowbirds. Most of these places are really well kept. It is a private community with no HOA. How cool is that? Oh, there you are. We're back here in Homosassa. What a beautiful day. 85 degrees. Oh my gosh, I just love it. My code word for gut and go and sweat equity opportunity means it's going to be a bunch of work. But I'm telling you, it'll be a great deal. So this is a concrete slab for a screen-in patio. Needs some work. The deck in the back is in as-is condition. It definitely needs some work. But you can see that it's all, a bunch of it's fenced in because he had a dog. I mean, it's not so bad, but you know. So I want you to know that just buying the land in Citrus County, our impact fees are almost $8,000. So remember, here in Citrus County, if you buy just a piece of vacant land, the impact fee, then you got to put the well, you got to put the septic, you got to put the power in. All right, so we're walking down beside the fence, showing the shaded area because it's got some beautiful trees out there. And then we're going to come around the back side of the property. It'll need cleanup work, it's a full gut and go. You'll have to take care of the floors. It is what it is. Great investment opportunity though. If you're just starting out and you want to go ahead and get yourself a place that you could use, or a rental, make a really good rental. Nice carport. It's got a nice little workshop shed back here. Got some possibilities here. Okay, we're gonna make a quick run through. So, come on up. A lot of these covers are on the floor because they've got layers of the flooring on it. It is a guardianship. Everything that comes in the house with the house, it is a guardianship. Everything will stay with the house. You have a full laundry room. Here's bedroom number 2. Here's your full bathroom here. You can tell there's probably some problems up there. So this is a good size bedroom. It's got a double walk-through closet. Bathroom over here. Don't have any lights. Sorry. You know, 2 sinks and a tub and toilet on the other side. We did see some damage and some possible past leakage on through back here into the closet. And here you go. We're gonna make our way out. All right, hit the lights, and we will see you at the open houses. You know, these are good investment opportunities. Everything goes to the house. We're making our way out. Come down and see me. Call me if you have any questions. I want to help you. All right, thanks. Bye.